this is the ResMed N20 Nasal Mask, and I'm going to show you how to put the headgear on. So what you're going to do is, the first thing, the easiest way to do this is find your magnets. As you notice, they're trying to clip together, and they are blue. On your mask, you have magnets as well that are blue. So you're going to do blue to blue and go ahead and stick those on first. And it'll make it easier to make sure you don't get your headgear on upside down. So once those are attached, you're just going to bring your top piece of Velcro and thread it through the top and then Velcro it to itself. I'm going to do that for both sides. Once you get that on, now you're ready to fit your mask. So once you have this attached, go ahead and take your magnets off your bottom. Get your hand over the ResMed verbiage and take your mask. You're going to put it over the nose and then just pull it down in the back. The top strap is going to go on top of the head, and then you'll bring your magnets around and let those clasp. Once you get that on, you're going to go ahead and snug up the mask where it's comfortable. It doesn't need to be super tight, just tight enough where it's comfortable on your face and you don't have any leaks. So we'll just pull that up and Velcro those to yourself. Same thing with the top. Find those to where they're comfortable. You should always be able to get a finger underneath your straps so they're not too tight. Should never make sores or anything on your face. So once you have it this far, go ahead and attach your tube into your mask, apply pressure, and then you can make any fine adjustments. To pull your mask off, you don't want to unvelcro, you just want to use your magnets and undo your magnets and then pull it off. This will allow your headgear to last longer. The more you use that Velcro, the less it will stick. With this one, you do have a quick release on the front. You just squeeze and pull. And so you can leave your CPAP tube and attached to that. If you need to go to the restroom at night, you don't want to pull your whole mask off. You can just leave all that on, come back, and then you can just stick that right back in and go right back to bed. So to figure out if you're having leaks, you just take your fingers and just run it around where the mask touches your face. You can feel a little air coming out the front here. That's your exhalation port. That's normal. That leak should be there, and you shouldn't cover that up. That lets the carbon dioxide that you're breathing out of the mask. But once you have everything sealed up, you're ready to go. Wash your mask every week in mild soap and water. But also you're going to change this cushion every 2 weeks and wipe it down daily. So you can either choose to pull it off every day and soap and water wash it, or you can use some type of non-alcoholic wiper such as a CPAP wipe. And these just come right off and pop right back on. So that is your N20 nasal mask. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any issues that you may have.